next collection see this is the also cotton based dress materials, and here small thread work combination of design here available, and this is a foil print type the designs. This is the light pink combination of dress materials. This is the bottom and top part, and see this is light grey and pink combination of two color combination of top, and this is total Zardozi work and hand touch up making work with moti work and thread work, multi combination of here hand touch up making work here available. And
innovative and promising sari manufacturer company in Surat, Gujarat. I like to call Mr. Sunil Patil and Ishita House. So please kindly come on stage. Mr. Sunil Patil from Ishita House.
welcome to Ishita House factory outlet friends. In our Ishita House we have a different department like this. This is the cotton and silk Banarasi and lehengas department, and we will put all the varieties in this department. See this is related to silk, cotton based and catalog, and silk sarees, pattu sarees, upada sarees like that, and we will get the complete proper packing like this, box packing also. This is the daily wear collection of box packing. See this like this collection of box packing, we will get the products from this, and this is belongs to daily wear sarees and daily wear sarees, work sarees, bridal sarees department, and catalog also here available. Here only starting from 95 rupees to up to 1000 to 2000 above we will get the samples from this department. See this guys, this is the bridal section of sarees department here, and wedding sarees and wedding gift sarees, costly of sarees of catalog sarees and gifted sarees, so many varieties here available. And see this customer directly visit the shop to purchase the varieties of sarees and dress materials and kurtis as he wish. And here see this, and this is the next department of dress material department. Dress material only here starting from 105 to up to 1000, 2000, 3000 and varieties of here available. And next we will go for the kurti department. See this friends, this is the only kurti section. Kurtis here starting only 45 rupees to up to 2000 above and 3000 above. We have to get different varieties of samples. And today especially I will go for see the collections of dress materials like khadi cotton based and hand touch up make new dress material like this. And don't be late, let's just start the video and see the collection. So friends, in our Ishita House only dress material starting from 105 to up to 1000 to 2000 above we have all varieties of dress materials. So here starting 105 rupees. This is the light pink combination of dress materials. This is the bottom and top part, and see this is light grey and pink combination of two color combination of dress materials. This is based on khadi cotton, total in khadi cotton based, and dupatta also so long. See this dupatta also so long and matching dupatta here available. And see this is the lace border like that, small lace border and with embroidering border, grey with pink combination like white combination of dupatta. This is the long dupatta, and we have a lot of collections here available. And next collection see this is the also cotton based dress materials, and here small thread work combination of design here available, and this is a foil print type the designs, and we have like this designs, and we have a lot of color and design combinations. And this is the dupatta. See this so beautiful design here, kalankari print like that. See this dupatta and with pom-pom lace dupatta. See this is the pom-pom based dupatta, and dupatta also so long. And next collection is this is also cotton based with a total hand touch up making dress designing combination. See this is a beautiful collection of in our Ishita House. See this is the dupatta also so grand and looking so gorgeous. See this is the total in stones work and sequence work dupatta this is, and dupatta is so beautiful than top. See this is a small border here available, and we have a day by day we have to change the colors and designs in day by day, and we have to put the collections through on customer requirement based. So this is the cotton based dress materials, and this is total in thread work combination, total thread work combination. And next is the dupatta also thread work is total in, see this is two color combination of dress materials. See this is the multi shading thread work dress materials, and this is the dupatta part. And next we will go for the next collection. See this is also simple, sober and unique combination, and this kind of combination of dress material huge collection we have available. So see this type, this is also khadi cotton based dress materials. Here see this is like hand touch up making work, and this is simple, sober, unique collections of this in our Ishita house. And see this is bottom, and this is the top, and we have like this model, so many models here available. And next material is the zari work based dress materials. See this is the cut work border also here available, cut work border with sequence based work, and this is three color combination. And see this is the dupatta, and dupatta also so beautiful and lightweight combination dupatta. See this is the grand looking of dupatta here, and we like this border also, a satin border like this border, and zari combination of designs, and we have to put the designs in day by day, lot of designs. And next we will go for the khadi cotton dress materials. See this is so beautiful collection of number one collection of in our Ishita house. See this is the total in thread work based designs, thread work based, and yellow, light yellow, pink, white combination of dress, and here dupatta also so beautiful and lightweight combination of dupatta. See this lightweight combination of dupatta here available. And next collection is best. See this is the huge collection of dress materials. See this is the simple, sober, unique combination of dress materials here available. This is look like total hand touch up making work, and dupatta also so beautiful, and dress also so nice combination of color also. And most of the customers and ladies like this kind of bandhani design like this dupatta. See this guys, this is the bandhani based dupatta. See this total in bandhani concept dupatta, and here top, see this top, and this is total zardosi work and hand touch up making work with moti work and thread work, multi combination of here hand touch up making work here available, and the cloth is so nice and soft. And see this bottom also contrast based pink with light colors. So see this is the yellow color combination of dress materials. See this so beautiful design, and neck in so beautiful design. See this blue and yellow combination of color combination. And we will go for the dupatta also so lightweight combination and huge design of this model. And next we will go for the next collection is beautiful collection from this. See this is the most beautiful collection. Why? Because this is a totally different from some other dresses. See this is like mirror combination of work in neck part, and we will see the dupatta is so grand and so beautiful collection. See this is the lace part, and this is a total in chicken work combination and mirror work combination of dupatta is so beautiful than other designs. See this type of designs we have a lot of colors and design combination, and we will see that this part and this part also so beautiful line unique collections. So friends, if you like the collection, then you have to subscribe our channel, share, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon, then you will get the all notification from our Ishita house. And here minimum order 25,000 to 30,000 here minimum order. If your customer like more collection, then contact our number, we will give it on the screen, then contact that number. They will provide the all details about how to you purchase the and dress materials, kurtis, garara, sharara like this. And if you go for sarees all varieties here available, cotton sarees, silk sarees, synthetic, poonam, crepe like that, brasso, and all clothes here available, especially in pattu, upada pattu and banarasi and catalogs and 60 gram georgette. Here all varieties of clothes here available. And if you like the collection, then so guys, we will meet in next video. Until then, bye friends.